Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to evaluate a limit if after direct substitution, the answer you got is in indeterminate form. So kung kapag katapos ng direct substitution, ang nakuha niyong sagot ay 0/0, so that is called indeterminate form of limit. So you may try factoring, simplifying, or common denominator and conjugates. Okay, let's proceed to the first example. So let us evaluate the limit of x squared minus 9 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6 as x approaches 3. So first thing to do is substitute the value of your approaching value, which is 3, to the values of x. So you will get 3 squared minus 9 all over 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 6. So 3 squared is 9 minus 9 over 3 squared is 9 minus 15 plus 6. So 9 minus 9, that is 0, over 9 minus 15, that is negative 6 plus 6, 0. So this one, guys, is called indeterminate form. Pagka ang lumabas sa sagot ay 0/0, that is called indeterminate form. Ngayon, kapag ka-indeterminate form, hindi siya defined. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, magfa-factor tayo, or magsisimplify, or magko-conjugate. Ngayon, kailan nyo malalaman kung magfa-factoring kayo, magko-conjugate, or magsisimplify, or common denominator? So, kapag ganito, guys, factorable siya, ibig sabihin yan, ifa-factor nyo. Pero kapag ganito yung example, like this, for example, this one, ayan, okay, not factorable siya, tapos you can see many fractions involving the function. Okay, meron tayong 1/4, may 1 over x, tapos meron pa tayong malaking fraction. Therefore, ang gagamitin nyo dyan, guys, is common denominator, or sisimplify nyo muna. Ngayon, yung conjugate, gagamitin nyo yan kapag merong radical. Okay, in this case, ang gagamitin natin ay factoring, since factorable to, tapos hindi naman pwede yung conjugate dyan kasi wala namang radical, and meron naman tayong simplified fraction kasi isa lang yung fraction. So we will use factoring. So if a-factor natin yung x squared minus 9, which is x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, yan yung factor ng x squared minus 9. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 3 minus 3 or 3 plus negative 3, that is 0. So, wala tayo ditong middle term. So, ang factor naman ng x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, ano yung dalawang numbers na pag pinag-times ko ay 6, positive 6. Tapos, pagka pinag-add ko, negative 5. So, that is negative 3 at saka negative 2. Diba? Negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6. Negative 3 plus negative 2, that is negative 5. Okay? And then after that, i-observe nyo kung meron silang common factor. In this case, tingnan nyo guys yung ilalim. We have x minus 3 at saka x minus 2. Ang nagpapa-0 dyan sa denominator is the x minus 3. Kasi when I input positive 3 to the value of x, magiging 3 minus 3. Ito yung nagpapa-0, hindi naman si x minus 2. Kasi 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore, ito dapat yung makancel natin, si x minus 3. Which will be cancelled because it has a common factor in the numerator. So, makakancel nyo si x minus 3, you will be left with x plus 3 over x minus 2. Kapag ganyan guys, nasulat nyo na yung mga natira, okay, after cancellation, so wala na tayong problema, yan na yung clue ninyo or sign ninyo para i-plug in na yung approaching value dun sa values ng x. So, ang magiging sagot nyo is, so palitan ko yung x nito, magiging 3 plus 3 over 3 minus 2. So, 3 plus 3 is 6 over 1. So, our final answer is positive 6. Okay? Now, if you want to use the shortcut method using your calculator, okay, ang gagawin nyo guys, itong approaching value, papalitan nyo siya ng, so yung 3 na yan, mag-a-add kayo ng 6 na 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 sa dulo. So, kung gusto nyo gumamit ng calculator and evaluate natin yung 0/0 na indeterminate form of limit, ang gagawin nyo guys, dagdagan nyo yung approaching value ng 6 na zeros and then 1. Okay? Tapos ipa-plug in nyo dun sa mismong function. So, gawin natin. So, lahat ng x, palitan natin ito. So, 3.0000001, tama ba? 6 squared minus 9 over, so 3.1234561 squared minus 5 times 3.1234561 plus 6. So, ayan, si Calcu. So, this one is an example of fraction. So, pindutin si fraction and then input na tayo nito. So, lahat ng x ko dito, pinalitan ko nitong bago kong approaching value. So, pag shortcut lang to guys, ginagawa ha. So, magiging 3.1234561 squared minus 9 over 3.1234561 squared minus 5 times 3.0000001 plus 6. So, ang lalabas sa sagot is the same with our answer earlier, which is 6. Ayan. So, if you want to use the shortcut, which is using the calculator, iibahin nyo lang to guys, dadagdagan nyo yung approaching value ng 0.0000001. So, 6 na zeros, tapos 1. Okay? Let's proceed to the next example. So let us have the limit of 3x plus 6 all over x squared minus x minus 6 as x approaches negative 2. So all x's will be replaced by negative 2. This will be 3 times negative 2, okay, plus 6 all over, okay, negative 2 squared minus negative 2 minus 6. So yung taas natin or numerator would be 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6 plus 6 over negative 2 squared is 4. Negative times negative 2 is positive 4 minus 6. Okay? Ay, sorry. Positive 2 pala to. Positive 2. Okay? So, negative 6 plus 6, that is 0 over 4 plus 2, that is 6 minus 6. So, again, this one is indeterminate form. So, wala tayong maraming fractions dyan. Therefore, we will not use common denominator. And then, wala tayong square root or radical, any radical. So, meaning, hindi rin natin gagamitin si conjugate. So, ang matitira nating paggamit ay, or gagamitin ay si factoring. Okay? So, factor natin si 3x plus 6. So, ang common na factor nila is 2. So, pwede natin, 3. So, pwede natin i-extract si 3. So, ang matitira sa 3x is, or 3x divided by 3 is x. Plus, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay? All over. So, ano ang factor ng x squared minus x minus 6? Ano yung kapag pinag-add ko, ay pinag-multiply ko, negative 6. Pag pinag-add ko naman ay negative 1. So, we will have 3 and 2. Diba? So, ito yung negative, ito yung positive. So, negative 3 times positive 2, that is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2, that is negative 1. Okay? So, ang nagpapa-0 na naman dito sa denominator natin ay si x plus 2. Kasi kapag pinalitan ko yung x ng negative 2, so ito, magiging negative 2 plus 2, the answer would be 0. So, cancelable naman siya, or pwede siyang i-cancel kasi may x plus 2 sa taas. Or common factor nila yon. So, ang matitira nyo is 3 over x minus 3. So, palitan na natin yung x ng negative 2. So, this will give us 3 over negative 2 minus 3, which is equal to 3 over negative 5. So, ang final answer natin is negative 3 over 5. Ayan. So, after factoring, makakakuha kayo ng defined answer. Now, again, if you want to use your calculator, papalitan lang natin yung approaching value ng, so, papalitan natin to ng negative 2 point. So, dagdagan natin ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1. So, lahat yan ng x papalitan, magiging 3 times negative 2 point plus 6 all over. So, palitan natin yung x naman dito, magiging negative 2 point squared minus negative 2 point 1 minus 6. Ito guys, gawin nyo lang kapag ayaw nyo na mag-factor, ayaw nyo na mag-conjugate, ayaw nyo na mag-simplify. Okay? Pero pagka gusto nyo pa rin yung factoring and conjugate, pwede nyo gamitin yan. Okay? Pero para mas mabilis, so we will have 3 times negative 2 point 1 plus 6 over negative 2.1234561 squared minus negative 2.1234561 minus 6. So, our answer is still the same. We have negative 3 over 5. Ayan, parehas lang sila guys. So, ang lalabas dito ay negative 3 over 5. Okay? Let's proceed to the next example. So, let us have the limit of x plus 2 quantity cube minus 8 all over x as x approaches 0. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, palitan ulit si x ng approaching value, which is 0. So 0 plus 2 cube minus 8 over 0. So magiging 0 plus 2, that is 2. 2 cube is 8. So magiging 8 minus 8 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Guys, dito, hindi kayo makagamit ng factoring, but yung kabaligtaran ng factoring is expanding. So, i-expand natin si x plus 2 cube. So, x plus 2 cube, ang ibig sabihin niyan, di ba? X plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. Tama? Minus 8 all over x. Okay? So, kailangan makancel tong x kasi siya talaga yung nagpapa-0 sa denominator. Kasi pagka in-input ko tong 0 na to, dito automatically nagiging 0 yung ilalim. Kaya ang goal ko ay makancel itong x na to. Okay? So, expand ko muna. Ito, i-foil muna natin siya. So, ang kakalabasan niyan ay x squared plus 4x plus 4. Yan. Okay? And then, meron pang x plus 2 minus 8 all over x. So, ito naman dalawang to. So, magiging x squared times x, that is x cubed. Okay? X squared times 2, that is 2x squared. And then 4x times x, that is 4x squared. 4x times 2, that is 8x. And then the last one, 4 times x, that is 4x. And then 4 times 2, that is 8. And then dugtong c minus 8 all over x. Okay? So, combine the similar terms in the numerator. So, you will get x cubed plus, so this 2 will become 6x squared. This 2 will become 12x. And then 8 minus 8, cancelled na yan because 8 minus 8 is 0 all over x. So, again, hindi ko pa na naman makakancel si x. So, pag tinignan natin yung numerator, meron silang common term which is x. So, extract natin si x. Okay? So, ang manditira kay x cubed is x squared. Kay 6x squared ay 6x. And then kay 12x is 12 na lang. Okay? All over x. Now na na-extract na natin, so pwede nyo na i-cancel to. Ayan. So sabi ko sa inyo, kapag ka-cancel nyo guys, then isusulat nyo yung mga natira. Yan na yung sign nyo to distribute or substitute the approaching value. So, pagka sinubstitute ko itong 0, this will be 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 12. So, 0, 0, the answer would be positive 12. Okay? Now, if you want to use your calculator again, so this approaching value will be, so papalitan natin yan ng 0.00000001. So, lahat ng values ng x, papalitan natin. So, 0.000001 plus 2 cube minus 8 over 0.000001. Dito guys, nagiging handy yung itong ganito. Halimbawa, ayan, ito yung process niya dapat, di ba? Pero kapag gumamit kayo nito, yung calculator, palitan nyo yung approaching value nito, medyo mas madali siya. Kasi syempre, isang salpakan na lang sa calcu. So, magiging 0.123456 plus 2 cube, okay, minus 8 over 0.123456. Okay, so we have the same answer, 12. 12. Okay, so that is for factoring or expanding. Okay, so pwedeng expanding. Pagka naka-factor guys, i-expand nyo. Pag naka-expand, i-factor niyo. Ganun lang naman yun. Kabaligtaran sila. Okay, let's have this one. The limit of 1/4 plus 1 over x all over 4 plus x as x approaches negative 4. So all x's will be replaced by negative 4. So we will have 1/4 plus 1 over negative 4 all over 4 minus 4. Okay? So this will be 1/4, magiging minus 1/4 na kasi positive, negative. So ang sagot nyo sa numerator is 0 over 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, kapag ganito guys, tapos nakakita kayo ng maraming fractions involving one function, so ang gagawin nyo, gagamit kayo ng common denominator or sa madaling sabi, isi-simplify nyo muna itong function natin before proceeding to distribution or substitution of the approaching value. So, ang gagawin natin, aayusin natin itong 1/4 sa taas at saka itong 1 over x. Pagsasamahin natin siya dito sa numerator. Kasi dalawang fraction siya. So, pag-iisahing fraction ko na lang. So, magiging 1/4 plus 1 over x. Gagawin nyo guys, multiply nyo tong denominator sa denominator para maging bagong denominator or common denominator. So, 4 times x, that is 4x. Okay, and then, ito, times nyo siya. So, 1 times x, that is x. And then, kung ano man ang operation nyo dito, gagayahin nyo lang siya. So, we have plus, plus pa rin yan. Okay? And then, 1 times 4 is 4. So, ibig sabihin, pag pinagsama ko itong 1/4 plus 1 over x, ang kakalabasan ay x plus 4 over 4x. So, yun na yung bago nating fraction. So, instead of having two fractions here, ayan, napag-isa ko siya. And then, ayan. So, isi-simplify natin all over 4 plus x. So, pag nagdi-divide tayo, di ba, ng fractions, kinukuha natin yung reciprocal ng denominator. Tapos, ang ginagawa natin multiply yung division. So, ganun din gagawin natin. So, x plus 4 over 4x. So, magiging times na to, guys. Pero, ita-times ko to sa reciprocal ng 4 plus x. Ang reciprocal ng 4 plus x, di ba, may imaginary over 1 yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang reciprocal niyan is 1 over 4 plus x. Okay? So, as you can see, itong dalawang to, we have 4x and 4 plus x. Ang nagpapa-0 sa denominator ko ay si 4 plus x. Kasi once sa pinalitan ko to ng negative 4, yung x, magiging 4 minus 4. Diba? So, ito ang kailangan kong i-cancel. In this case, makakancel siya because may common factor siya sa taas, which is x plus 4. Ito naman ay pwedeng i-rewrite na x plus 4 over 4x times, yung x, etong 4 plus x, pwedeng i-rewrite yan as x plus 4. Same lang yan, guys, itong dalawa. So, pwede ko siyang i-cancel. Ayan. So, ang matitira sa taas is 1 over 4x. So, kapag nakapag-cancel na, and then, sulat nyo na yung mga naiwan or natira. So, sabi ko, yun na yung sign nyo to substitute the value of your approaching value, which is, in this case, negative 4. So, may 1 over 4 times negative 4, which is 1 over negative 16. So, our final answer is negative 1 over 16. Okay? Now, again, if you want to use your calculator, so, palitan nyo yung approaching value ng negative 4 point. So, ito si negative 4, lagyan ng 6 na zeros, and then 1. So, magiging 1/4, okay, plus 1 over negative 4.1234561, okay, all over 4 plus negative 4.1234561. So, input nyo sa calcu. So, you will have fraction, tas may fraction ulit. So, pindutin nyo, 1/4 plus 1 over negative 4.0000001. Okay, sa denominator, we have 4 plus negative 4.1234561. Okay, so still, our answer is the same, negative 1 over 16, negative 1 over 16. But in this case, ang ginawa lang natin na calcu, pinalitan lang yung approaching value. But dito, ang ginamit natin is common denominator. Okay, let's have the last example in this part. Okay, so we will have the limit of x all over 3 minus the square root of x plus 9 as x approaches 0. So, 0, palitan natin lahat ng 0, yung x. So, 0 over 3 minus the square root of 0 plus 9. So, this will be 0 over 3 minus, so 0 plus 9 is the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So, magiging 0 over 3 minus 3. Again, this one is 0 over 0. Okay? So, 0 over 0 siya. Then, hindi nyo magagamit dito, guys, yung common denominator. Kasi ito, marami siyang fraction. Kaya gumamit tayo ng common denominator. Dito naman, nag-expand tayo. Kasi as you can see, pwede siya ma-expand. Kasi naka-factor siya. Ito naman, nag-factor tayo. Kasi factorable siya. Ito, guys, ang clue ninyo is yung radical. Kapag ka may radical, gagamit kayo ng conjugate. Okay? So, ang conjugate, ang process niyan ay ganito. So, rewrite muna natin yung function. Okay? Hahanapin nyo nasaan si radical. In this case, nasa denominator siya. So, i-multiply ko siya sa 3 plus square root of x plus 9 over 3 plus square root of x plus 9. So, etong sign na to, guys, babaguhin nyo, gagawin nyo siyang positive. Huwag nyo pakialamanan nyo nasa loob ng radical. Okay? So, ititreat nyo to, parang isang term siya. Ito isang term. So, itong minus gagawin kong plus. And then, syempre, may multiply nyo siya sa numerator tsaka sa denominator. Now, kung ang radical nyo nasa denominator, huwag nyo pansinin yung numerator. Ibig sabihin ko ron, kopyahin nyo lang ng kopyahin yung numerator kasi ika-cancel nyo rin naman siya later on. Okay? So, ang focus lang natin ay nasa denominator kasi ang radical natin ay nasa denominator. So, itong numerator, pag pinag-multiply ko to, copy ko lang siya. So, x times 3 plus square root of x plus 9. Ayan, wala akong ginawa sa numerator, kinopya ko lang. Now, we have this one. Parang siyang ano guys, a minus b, tsaka a plus b. Kasi same lang naman sila, 3, 3, so ibig sabihin, same sila ng value. Ito, pares din ng value. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila ay yung sign. Kapag ganyan guys, di ba ang nagiging sagot natin? Kapag we multiply a minus b by a plus b, di ba ang lumalabas sa sagot ay a squared minus b squared? Kasi nakakancel din yung middle term because we have negative and positive. So, ang mangyayari dito, may squared tong 3, which is a, magiging 9, or mamumultiply sila sa isa't isa, magiging 3 times 3. Yun. Okay? Tapos, magiging minus to. Ngayon, ang radical na to guys, so ito yung 3, di ba? Yan. Ito yung a natin dito. So, 3 squared. Minus, yung b natin is square root of x plus 9 squared. Di ba pag nag-squared tayo ng radical, natatanggal yung square root niya. So, ito, basically guys, makakancel siya. Ang matitira ay yung nasa loob niya na lang, which is x plus 9. Ayan. Okay? So, evaluate natin, magiging square root of x times 3 plus square root of x plus 9. Okay, kopya lang yung numerator. Sabi ko sa inyo, focus tayo sa denominator. So, distribute natin si negative, magiging minus x minus 9. So, obviously, 9, negative 9, cancelled siya. Okay, kasi 0 yan. So, matitira sa taas, x times 3 plus square root of x plus 9 pa rin, all over negative x. So, negative x, cancelled to. So, x, negative x. So, ang matitira sa numerator is 3 plus square root of x plus 9. Sa denominator, we have negative 1. Okay? So, kapag ka na-cancel na, sabi ko sa inyo, tapos nasulat nyo na yung mga natira, punta na kayo dito ulit. So, we will have 3 plus square root of 0 plus 9 over negative 1. So, 3 plus square root of 9, square root of 0 plus 9 is square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So, magiging 3 plus 3 over negative 1, which is negative 6. Ayan. Now, if you want to use your calculator, again, very handy to guys kapag ka ganito na siya conjugate kasi medyo mahaba yung process of conjugation. So, ang gagawin nyo, yung approaching value natin, palitan ng 0 point. So, dadagdagan ko ng 0,0,0,0,0,0,1. So, magiging, itong x na to, 0.1234561 over, so 3 minus square root of 0.1234561 plus 9. Ayan. So, mas madali ito. Input natin sa calcu. So, fraction 0.123456 over 3 minus square root of 0.123456 plus 9. Okay, ang lumabas na sagot ay fraction. Kapag kaalanganin guys sa fraction, yung itsura, like hindi siya masyadong maliit na fraction, like 1/4, 3/4, try nyo pindutin yung SD. Okay? So, pag pindot nyo ng SD, ayan nakalagay, negative 6.0000024, which is basically negative 6. So, kuhain nyo lang yung first value nito, i-round off nyo siya sa whole number, and that would be your final answer. So, negative 6. So, same lang sa nakuha nating sagot earlier. Okay?